Hello! Well, here we are, enjoying the last few rays of sunshine. Starting to get a bit late in the year now, but hey, we got a sunny day. And it's warm, so yeah, not too bad for the time of year. I thought, well, I better get out while you can. And it won't be long till we've got coats on again, will it? You know. Let's get across this junction. Looking out for cars, all clear. Yeah. We'll soon have them gloves on and the woolly hat. So it's a case of making the most of it, isn't it? Still have no issues to report. The bike's running fine. Oh, I did have an issue, yeah. Not the controller, the buttons on the handlebars. They came loose, and as I was tightening them up, the plastic snapped. No big deal though. I used a blob of JB weld, let that set, and well, it's working okay again now. It tightens up, unfastens, so yeah, other than that it's all been good. And as you probably noticed from a previous video, if you've watched it, I've now got tyre liners fitted. Car coming, better pull over, let him come by. That's my good deed for the day. Yeah, I got tyre liners fitted in. So it's just another level, isn't it, of precaution against punctures. Every little bit helps. You know, if you check that video out, you'll see they're pretty good value actually, and they seem as good as more expensive ones. I mean, you're never going to stop a nail going through, are you, though? Really. But as my punches seem to come from thorns, I'm hoping it'll help. So this is a fairly steep bank. I think I'll have a try coming back up here. Well, I know it'll come back up. I'll just try and show you how it pulls up. Trouble is the camera doesn't show just how steep the hills are really, but I'll see if it can show you. Okay, so this is pretty steep bank, this is, so we'll see how well it pulls up here. I'm in power assist 3, gear 4, 12 mile an hour. Pretty easy, isn't it? But like I've always said all along, you have got to pedal. Don't expect the bike to do everything for you. What have we got here? No, can't get in. Thought there was going to be a way in then. Found a lane here. One of my famous lanes. I don't know where it goes. This should just come out, I think, though. Not been down here before, but I think it should just meet up with another road, main road. Well, country road. Unless I see somewhere to turn off again. Well, we're still travelling down it. I haven't seen anywhere to turn off yet, but it doesn't look like it gets used much, this lane. Probably only gets used by farms, to guess. Can't see any cars, or at least many cars coming down here. Still looking for that turn off. Careful around the corner. Not expecting to meet anything, but you never know. Yeah, look, there's a main road up ahead. That's a nice little cut through though, that. Do you remember that one? But yeah, it's great to be out. Love it, I do. Especially on a day like that today. Sun shining, quiet. If ever you're considering getting an e-bike, all I can say is go ahead and do it. You won't regret it. It gets you out. And as I've said before, I go to places now that there's no way I would cycle there on a normal push bike. But the e-bike allows me to get out and well, travel further. I still haven't run this battery flat on a ride out, but I'm usually around 18 miles my rides are, and at that I've probably got about 46 volt left in my battery. So I don't know how far you would go. It is all dependent on your power assist you use and how much effort you put in, but I don't know, I think 30 miles is quite capable if you use it wisely. Having to do a bit of road riding here. Freewheeling, 30 mile an hour. Like I say, roads aren't my favourite place to be, but sometimes it can't be helped, can it? I'm using no power at all here, totally freewheeling. There's only a slight downhill. Another downhill here. Freewheeling it, 30 mile an hour again. The bike feels pretty stable at that, you know. Don't have no issues with the bike being twitchy or anything. I mean, it prefers it at lower speed. Got a bit lost earlier. Went a bit out of my way. Wasn't sure which way to go. Whether to go back or carry on. In hindsight, I should have gone back as soon as I realised I was getting lost. But I carried on till I came to somewhere I knew, and then realised I got quite a distance to get back. But I've got plenty of battery left. The sun's still shining. Make the most of it, eh? I've currently done just over 15 miles. Wasn't intending going that far, but because of my detour, I've managed to get that many miles done. Anyway, what I was going to say, battery level, it's sitting at 47.3 volts. It may go up from that because I am using a bit of power assist at the moment. Let's just see if a freewheel. 47.4. And 2 bars over halfway on the meter. So, plenty of battery left. I hope you enjoyed the ride out with me at the back end of summer. Quite possibly next time it'll be hat and gloves weather. Who knows? Don't know. Summers seem to be getting later to me. I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.